Hello, and you are very welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, you will see one of the hard questions that I want to make it simple for you. As you can see, we have infinite terms that are multiplied by each other. I would like to call it x and find the value of x. For the first step, I would like to find the log of the left and right side. The left side will change to log of x, and the right side will change to log of the whole 2 to the power of 1 over 4 times by 4 to the power of 1 over 8 times by 8 to the power of 1 over 16, and so on to infinity. Now with the first rule of logarithm, I would like to write log of AB as log of A plus log of B. Now the right side can be written as log of 2 to the power of 1 over 4 plus log of 4 to the power of 1 over 8 plus log of 8 to the power of 1 over 16 plus log of 16 to the power of 1 over 32, and so on. Okay. Now I would like to use the second rule of log. Log of a to the power of b is the same as b times log of a. So this power will go just here. So log of x is equal to 1 over 4 log of 2 plus 1 over 8 log of 4 plus 1 over 16 log of 8 plus 1 over 32 log of 16, and so on. Now let's take a look at this 4. 4 is 2 to the power of 2. This 8 is 2 to the power of 3. This 16 is 2 to the power of 4. So again, if I use the previous rule, it can be written as log of x equals to 1 over 4 log 2 plus this 2 goes just here. So 2 over 8 log of 2 plus, now this 3 goes to here, so 3 over 16 log of 2 plus, now this 4 goes to here, 4 over 32 log of 2, and so on. Something which is common between the all terms of the right side is log of 2. So I can factorize it to get log of x equals to log of 2 times by 1 over 4 plus 2 over 8 plus 3 over 16 plus 4 over 32, and so on. For the next step, I would like to call this bracket as S and find the answer for S. So let me write it here. S is equal to 1 over 4 plus 2 over 8 plus 3 over 16 plus 4 over 32, and so on to infinity. Now I want to divide s by 2 to get 1 over 2s, and then all these terms divide by 2. You will see why. 1 over 4 divided by 2 is 1 over 8. 2 over 8 divided by 2 is 2 over 16. I don't want to simplify it, and I will show you why. Plus, 3 over 16 divided by 2 is 3 over 32, and so on. Now I would like to subtract the bottom from the top. So, s minus 1 over 2s is just 1 over 2s. 1 over 4 minus 0 is equal 1 over 4. 2 over 8 minus 1 over 8 is plus 1 over 8. 3 over 16 minus 2 over 16 is just 1 over 16. And you will see the pattern 1 over 32 and so on. Now 1 over 2s is equal a formula a over 1 minus q, which a is the first term, which is 1 over 4, and q is the common ratio. So this 1 over 4 is multiplied by 1 over 2. Also 1 over 8 multiplied by 1 over 2 is 1 over 16. So the common ratio is 1 over 2. If I simplify that, it is 1 over 4, and 1 minus 1 over 2 is 1 over 2. If you simplify 1 over 4, divide by 1 over 2, you will get just 1 over 2. As you can see, we have 1 over 2s equals 1 over 2, and it means that s is equal 1. Finally, when s is equal 1, our question is simplified to log of x equals to log of 2 times by 1. So log of x is equal log of 2, which means that x is equal to the final answer. Thank you for watching this video. If you like these types of videos, please let me know in the comments and share with your friends. See you soon.